tumble dryer brush from Temu. What's going on with tiles? Need sorting out. Right, oh, my old bones. Hang on a minute. Right, take the tumble dryer out. Take the tumble dryer. What? Take the filter out. Open the filter. Clean all the fluff out. Otherwise it might go bang. In there, where the filter lives, there's all fluff, as you can see. And this is the brush that's meant to clean it out. Oh, and it's still in there. And it's still in there. Is any on this? Oh wow, a tiny bit. What a pile of rubbish. Look at it. The thing's not coming out. What a pile of shit. Handle. Fair length to it. Wormesses. Look, they're just moving that around. Seriously. Temu, you've let me down. Look at it, come on now. Let's have another bit, because the end, okay, gathered a little bit there. It'll take forever. The end hasn't got a brush on it. Bristles, rather. It would be ideal if the end had bristles. Oops, I drop it. Dee-dee-dee. And look, still in there. Can't get on this bit. There it goes. And that didn't have that sticky out bit. Where is it? Look. And brushing it up and it falls back down. What a load of shoe. A little bit there. It's gonna take forever, man. Well, I don't know whether could recommend it. Maybe if the fluff was worse, because there's a fair blob there. And you see there's still loads in there. It wasn't a lot of money, so it was not too bad. But I wouldn't highly recommend it. Look at that. And it's all gone in here now. What a load of... Seriously? Look, it's in here. Which is not good. Damn and blast you. Well, I wouldn't highly recommend it, but I suppose worst case scenario, if there was much more in it, maybe handy. But I wouldn't rob my bank account for this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and comment if you've got a better brush, or if you have this trouble with this not so great one from Temu. Bye, guys.